Hello students. So you can look, there is a question that this question here, fx is equal to mod of x plus 1 plus mod of x minus 1 for all x belongs to R real numbers. Then there are four options available. So f is continuous and not differentiable, f is discontinuous and but differentiable, f is continuous but not differentiable at 1, and f is uh, continuous but not differentiable at 1 and minus 1. So let's see what is the answer will be. I have solved this. First we will take in this way, fx is equal to mod of x plus 1 plus mod of x minus 1. Now I used to know that it is continuous or not first. Then I will determine that it is differentiable or not. So we have find out some points. These points are satisfied by the function. Now if we put in the coordinate system, then we will get a straight line through the origin. So since this is full continuous, you can look this is straight line, no break in this. So fx is continuous. This is confirmed that fx is continuous. Continuous. Now we have to find out that fx is differentiable or not. So if fx, we can write down fx when x greater than equal to 1, then this both will be positive. Then we will get 2x, fx is equal to 2x. And when x less than 1, then we will get fx is equal to minus 2x. So you can very easily find out that uh, here at the point 1, fx is not differentiable because we will get 2 left f differentiable, we will get 2 and right f first derivative at 1, sorry, at 0 point, at 1 point we will get minus 2. So left left hand side of the differences and right hand side of the differences are different, plus 2 minus 2. So at the point 1 this is not differentiable. And now if we go at another point, this is 2 points can arise where it is differentiable or not, we can examine. So plus 1 we have already examined. Now we can examine minus 1. So when x greater than equal to minus 1, this will be again 2x, and when x less than minus 1, we will get again minus 2x. So same formula, we will get left hand side of the first derivative 2 and right hand side of the first derivative minus 2. Sorry, I have replaced right hand side of the first derivative will get 2 and left hand side of the first derivative will get minus 2. So both the derivative left hand side and right hand side not equal, so differentiation cannot be possible. Just this function is continuous, differentiation cannot be possible. So in my view, if is not differentiable, this question, sorry, if is continuous but not differentiable, this answer is true. If is continuous but not differentiable. Now in the second question you can look, this is f be a function defined on the real numbers by fx is equal to x exponential 1 by x minus e exponential to the power minus 1 by x by exponential 1 by x plus exponential to the power minus 1 by x when x not equal to 0, but 0 when x is equal to 0. There are also four options given. F is not differentiable at x equal to 0 since left hand side of the first derivative at the point 0 is equal to 1, and right hand side of the first derivative at 0 is equal to minus 1. That's why. Or f is not differentiable at x is equal to 0 since left hand side left hand side of the first derivative at the point 0 is equal to minus 1, and right hand side of the first derivative at the point 0 is 1. F is not differentiable at x is equal to 0, since left hand side at the point 0 of the first derivative of the function is equal to 1, and right hand side is equal to 0. And fourth option, f is differentiable at x0. Let's see what can be done in the at the answer. I have done here. Look, fx given this defined in this way. Now f can this function where x not equal to 0 can be treated in this way. We will try at the we have to find out the defined from at the point 0. I mean to say fx is continuous at the 0 or not. If it is continuous, then we can check out that it is differentiable or not. So we have I have written in two forms. Uh, Here x e to the power this can be written down x e to the power 2 by x to the exponential to the power 2 by x minus 1 by exponential 2 by x plus 1. Or in another form, this is also an important form, because if x is negative, this will go to 0, because this will be in the form 1 by e to the power 2 by x. So this will if x is negative, this will go to 0. So this form is important, and this form is also important. You will get in same form, just writing in another way, formulating. Here also this is important, because this term also, if x tends to 0, this term uh, uh, extend this term again goes to 0, because um, this will be again in this form 1 by e to the power 2 by 2 by x. This will again go to 0 if x tends to 0. Whole this whole form e to the power minus 2 by x will go to 0. So when we will take left hand side of the first derivative at the point 0, we will take negative of 0 extending to 0 negatively. Then we will take this form. Here x actually not equal to 0 but tending to 0 negatively. So here we will get vanish x will vanishes, and this will also vanishes. We will get minus 1 by 1. So this will be minus 1. And when we will find out right hand side of the derivative at the point 0, then you can look this, that x is vanishes here also, but x is not equal to 0 but tending positively to 0. So here this term again vanishes, and we will find out that 1 by 1 means 1, but these both are different. Left hand side is minus 1, right hand side is 1, so not equal. So differences cannot be possible. So we have the answer. You can look this. We have find out f is not differentiable at x0, because the left hand side of the first derivative uh, of the function at the point 0 is 1 minus 1, and right hand side of the first derivative of the function at the point 0 is 1. So B option is correct. Now look this question. The value of limit x tending to 0 mod of x minus x by 2x is equal to 0 to 1 or does not exist. We can solve this. Look this. Here you can write down a limit mod of x minus x by 2x is equal to fxa. So left hand side at the point of the function at the point 0, uh, when x tending to 0 negatively, then mod of x reacts negatively, means its value will be negative, minus x. Then we will get minus 1 if you evaluate it, minus 1. And right hand side of the function at the point 0, we will get x tending to 0 positively. Here x mod of x reacts positively. So x, its value will be x, and x minus x will be 0. That's why its value is 0. So left hand limit and right hand limit both are not equal. So its option will be its limit does not exist. This limit does not exist. So four option will be correct. Now another question. Look this question. The value of alpha in Rolle's theorem, where minus pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi by 2, and fx means alpha belongs between the range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and the function fx is equal to cos x is equal to, four option is given. So we have to find out by Rolle's theorem at which point the first derivative of fx is equal to 0. So I have solved this. Look, in this way we can solve this. Let fx is equal to cos x. So when we will put x is equal to minus pi by 2, we will get cos pi by 2 means 0. And f pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. And we know that cos x is fully continuous. Sin x, cos x are full continuous. So Rolle's theorem first criteria, second criteria is satisfied, that the limit at the limit points means the function is equal, and the function is also continuous. There must be a point between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 where the first derivative of the function is equal to 0. So found out the first derivative minus sin y is equal to 0. So sin y is equal to 0 at when y is equal to 0. So we have found out 0 range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, where the function the function is first derivative take maximum value, means there or minimum. So now I will go another last question. This is uh, here given f minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1 is an increasing function. Four options are given. You can look the limiting points minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 1 and 0 1. So I have done in this way. There are many ways, but I have done in this way. I have written the function first. We have found out the we can find out the value of 1. Minus 1 when we put, then we will get plus 6. When we put 1, then we will get negative minus 22. And when we will get minus 2, when we put minus 2, then we will get plus 5. So you can look this around this, that minus between minus 2 and minus 1, this is increasing 5 to 6. At other points, this is not increasing from minus 2 to minus 1. So 5 and 6. So these options will be good, right? Between the range minus 2 and minus 1, this function will be increasing. If you like my videos, you can search YouTube. You can go to YouTube, subscribe my channel, and if you want to chat, then chat with me. So this is the message given for further promotion. I have lodged many videos website link. Now I um, stopping the class, but not for the day. On in the next with another chapter. If you have any question, then ask me. Thanks for watching.